Let's quickly learn how to set up Gmail signatures. Adding a Gmail signature is the easiest way to include your name, contact info, or even your company logo at the bottom of every message. To create one for yourself, just need to click on the gear icon or the settings icon on the top right and then click on see all settings. Make sure you're inside of general and you just need to scroll down until you see the signature section. Right beside this signature section, you'll have the option of creating a new signature. Click on this button right here which says create new and then name this signature whatever you'd like. Once you've named your signature, click on create. Now there are a few customizations that you can do. Firstly, in this editor, you can add in your name, your job title, your company name, and a few other contact details as well. In order to add in any attachments or logo, make sure you click on the insert image option so that you can select from the images that are in your browser, or you can also pull it straight from the web. If you want, you can also change the color of certain text to make it more appealing. You can also add in a background color or change the text of the color. Once everything is completed and you have everything that you want in your signature, you can scroll down and then click on save changes. Now this is just an example. You can make it a lot more better if you customize it even further. Now the way that you include email signatures is inside of the compose section. We'll have a section of signature. You can just click on insert signature and then select the signature that you're trying to insert, and as soon as you do that, the signature will be inserted automatically. So that's basically it on the way that you set up Gmail signatures. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.